To assemble the Metra 953305 dash kit, start by identifying the left and right side brackets. Then slide the radio brackets into the radio housing, aligning the holes in the radio housing to the clips on the radio brackets. Slide the radio into the kit assembly, then secure the kit to the radio with the screws supplied with your radio. There are multiple screw locations to choose from. We recommend spacing your screws out on both sides to evenly support your radio. Once your dash kit is complete, you can connect your wiring harness, antenna connection, and reassemble your dash. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.